want it like this, guys, so it's just looking like that, bakes away. Now you could just leave it as it is and just make protein balls at the moment. Then get it shape. When you're ready, take them out. We're going to start with obviously the oats. We've got 83 grams worth of oats here. Now here we've got protein powder. Good thing about this is it's a long carbohydrate, that's the difference. So that's 80 grams of this in here. Then what we're obviously going to do is we need to mix this up. So now we've got peanut butter. I'll just say go with one with no added sugar, and that's literally natural, nothing else that's really added into there, because that's what you're mainly looking for. Okay, so you want it like this, guys, so it's just looking like that, bakes away. Now you'll notice that beautiful smell on it. So now we're going to put some of this in and start stirring it around. Now I'm using almond milk. The one I'm using is this one. Now I've got 120 mils in here. I normally use it all, but guys, it's basically down to what you want it, because when this is done you're gonna see the texture of it, how it is as you're adding more milk in. Now that's how it's gonna be when you thaw it, and that's the texture. So if you don't mind having it like mine, a little bit stickier, then you're obviously gonna add more milk. And what I mean by it is, I mean this. If you have a look at this, I've got this. Now you could just leave it as it is and just make protein balls at the moment. If you look at this consistency at the moment, this is how it'd be if you did it how it was like this. Now guys, we've got this. So it was 100 mils of the almond milk I use today. Sometimes I use 110, 120, but that's kind of depending on the weather. Right guys, these have been in the freezer for about an hour now. So that's it, put them in the freezer, put them in for an hour, then obviously you'll get your shape. When you're ready, take them out. This is how they're kind of gonna look. Then we can just pop these in containers, pop them, if you're gonna take them out to eat, you can pop them in grease-proof paper and everything, and stick them in the freezer. When you're ready, let them thaw on that, and that will be it. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, these are how they should start to look once they're thawed. So yeah.